Hello, beach lovers. Have you ever wondered what the top 10 most beautiful beaches in the world are? Imagine the sand between your toes, the sun kissing your skin, and the sound of waves lapping at the shore. Today, we're going on a global journey, exploring the beauty and tranquility of some of the most stunning coastlines our planet has to offer. From secluded coves to expansive shorelines, these are the paradises you dream about. Ready to embark on a journey to these paradises? Buckle up because we're about to dive in. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the beautiful Whitehaven Beach in Australia. This is not your ordinary beach. Whitehaven stands out with its pristine, pure white silica sand that feels like walking on powdered sugar. But the beach is not just about the sand. The crystal clear aqua waters provide a stunning contrast, creating a breathtaking scenery. A dip into these waters opens up a world of vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life, making snorkeling a must-do activity. And let's not forget the mesmerizing view from Hill Inlet. It's where the tide shifts the sand and water, creating a beautiful fusion of colors that's nothing short of a masterpiece. Whitehaven Beach is more than just a beach. It's a paradise on earth, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This beach is a true gem in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves at the Pink Sands Beach in the Bahamas. This isn't your ordinary stretch of sand and sea. Oh no, darling. This is a beach that blushes under the sun. 3 miles of coral pink sand that gets its hue from tiny single-celled organisms known as foraminifera. These little critters have a reddish-pink shell, which when broken down gives the sand its unique color. Now, don't be fooled by the beach's delicate appearance. The waters here are as warm as a southern welcome and as calm as a Sunday morning. It's the perfect environment for a leisurely swim or snorkel. And there's more. Ever dreamt of riding a horse along a beach at sunset? Well, here at Pink Sands Beach, that dream can become a reality. A trip to this beach is like living in a fairy tale. It's a place where the magic of nature meets the charm of the Caribbean. Next up, at number 8, we have Anse d'Argent in Seychelles. This beach is nothing short of a gem, a true spectacle of nature's artistic prowess. Known for its stunning granite rock formations, Anse d'Argent is like a canvas painted by the hands of Mother Nature herself. These ancient rocks, sculpted by time and weather, stand as grand sentinels, guarding the beach and adding a touch of rugged beauty to the scene. Now imagine wading into the shallow emerald water, a warm, gentle caress against your skin. The water here is as clear as crystal, reflecting the radiant tropical sun and creating a spectacle of shimmering light. But the allure of Anse d'Argent doesn't end at the shore. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery, vibrant and teeming with life. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers and the melodious calls of exotic birds. This beach is a true piece of paradise right on Earth. At number 7, we're visiting the captivating Navagio Beach in Greece. Set on the coast of Zakynthos in the Ionian Islands of Greece, Navagio Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, is a sight to behold. It's named after the MV Panayotis, a freight liner that ran aground in the early 80s, leaving behind an intriguing piece of history amidst the natural beauty. Surrounding this iconic shipwreck are towering limestone cliffs, creating a secluded cove that feels like a world apart. These cliffs, reaching skyward, cast dramatic shadows on the beach below, adding an air of mystery to the already enchanting scene. Now let's not forget the clear blue water of the beach. It's the kind of blue that you see in postcards, so vibrant and clear that it seems surreal. The water here is so inviting, it beckons you to plunge in and lose yourself in its tranquility. This beach is a must-visit for all the adventure seekers out there. Coming in at number 6, we have the historical Tulum Beach in Mexico. This isn't just any beach, folks. Picture this: ancient Mayan ruins perched on a cliff, casting their shadows over the soft white sand below. That's right, Tulum Beach is where history meets the sea, a beautiful blend of the past and the present. Now, let's talk about the water. It's as if an artist took out his palette and mixed the purest shades of blue and green to create the perfect turquoise. It's so clear you can see the marine life without even diving in. But if you're into snorkeling or diving, Tulum Beach is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. From the vibrant coral reefs to the colorful exotic fish, it's like stepping into another world. And after your underwater adventure, you can unwind on the beach, with the sun warming your skin and the Mayan ruins watching over you. This beach brings together history, nature, and adventure. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have the breathtaking Bora in French Polynesia. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this isn't just a beach. It's a work of art painted by Mother Nature herself. Imagine the most stunning coral reefs you've ever seen. Picture vibrant hues of orange, pink, and blue, creating a living tapestry beneath the waves. These reefs are teeming with life, hosting a multitude of marine species that add to the beauty of Bora. And let's talk about the lagoon. It's a mirror reflecting the clear blue sky, providing a soothing and tranquil aura that can calm even the most restless souls. It's like dipping your toes into a painting. As for the lush tropical vegetation, it's the green icing on this picturesque cake, providing a welcome contrast to the endless blue. The coconut trees sway gently in the breeze, their rustling leaves playing a symphony that complements the harmony of the waves. This beach is a true tropical paradise. Moving on to number 4, we're visiting the spectacular beaches of the Maldives. Imagine this: endless stretches of pristine white sandy beaches, so soft under your feet it's like walking on a cloud. Now, pair that with the crystal clear waters, shimmering in hues of blue and turquoise, providing the perfect backdrop for a tranquil day under the sun. But the Maldives isn't just about the beaches. It's also a treasure trove of rich marine life. Underneath the waves, a vibrant world awaits, teeming with colorful coral reefs and a diverse array of aquatic creatures. It's as if Mother Nature herself painted a masterpiece. The Maldives also offers great opportunities for snorkeling and diving. Dive into the azure waters and you're instantly transported into a world of adventure, where every dive is a new discovery. These beaches are a true haven for relaxation and adventure. At number 3, we have the stunning Grace Bay in Turks and Caicos. Grace Bay is a tropical paradise where the sand is as white as sugar and as soft as silk. It stretches as far as the eye can see, a stark contrast to the clear azure sea that gently caresses its shoreline. The water is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a world teeming with life beneath its surface. The coral reef, a colorful underwater garden, is home to a wide variety of marine species. From the playful dolphins to the vibrant parrotfish, every encounter is a delightful surprise, making each dip into the water an adventure in itself. Grace Bay is not just a beach, it's a sanctuary, a playground, a world of its own. It's a place where time stands still and the only schedule to follow is the rhythm of the waves and the journey of the sun. This beach is a true gem in the Caribbean. Coming in at number 2, we have the beautiful Baia do Sancho in Brazil. This exquisite beach, tucked away from the world, is a treasure chest of natural beauty. Its allure is heightened by the clear turquoise waters that sparkle under the tropical sun, inviting you to dip your toes in and let your worries wash away. The richness of marine life here is unparalleled. The warm waters of Baia do Sancho are home to an array of colorful fishes, playful dolphins, and majestic sea turtles. It's a bustling underwater city that's waiting for you to explore. And what better way to unravel the secrets of this marine metropolis than snorkeling and diving? Dive into the depths, swim alongside the inhabitants of this underwater wonderland, and experience a world that's as enchanting as it is mysterious. This beach is a true hidden paradise. Its captivating beauty and vibrant marine life make it a must-visit destination for every travel enthusiast. And finally, at number 1, we have the breathtaking El Nido in the Philippines. This tropical paradise is a sight to behold, with its stunning limestone cliffs that jut out from the emerald waters, creating a dramatic and picturesque landscape. Imagine the clear blue lagoons, where the water is so transparent you can see the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life beneath the surface. These waters are home to a rich diversity of marine life, making it a snorkeler's dream. From colorful fish to intricate corals, the underwater spectacle is just as stunning as the view above. The opportunities for adventure in El Nido are endless. You can embark on an island-hopping journey, exploring the numerous hidden beaches and secret lagoons, each with its own unique charm. Or simply relax on the pristine white sands, soaking in the beauty of this tropical haven. This beach tops our list as the most beautiful beach in the world. There you have it, folks. our top 10 most beautiful beaches in the world. From the crystal clear waters of Whitehaven Beach in Australia to the captivating beauty of El Nido in the Philippines, each of these beaches offers a unique blend of charm, beauty, and tranquility. So pack your bags and set off to explore these stunning corners of our planet. Remember, the world is a beautiful place. Make sure to explore it and see these stunning beaches for yourself. Until next time, happy. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content.